What was the moment you realized your hospital was actively covering up a major mistake, and what did you do? I never thought I'd be that person, the one who risks their entire career over a paper trail. I'm a charge nurse at a private surgical center. Last year, we moved to this new automated reporting system that was supposed to make everything transparent. But about 6 months in, I noticed something weird. We had a patient, a young guy, routine appendectomy, who had a massive post-op infection because a specific protocol wasn't followed. It was a clear human error. He ended up in the ICU for 3 weeks. When I went to file the incident report, the system, it wouldn't let me. It kept flagging my entries as inconsistent with data. I went to my supervisor and she didn't even look me in the eye. She told me, "The AI is just filtering for accuracy. We've reclassified that case as a pre-existing complication. It helps with our federal funding." My stomach just dropped. They weren't just optimizing reports, they were literally erasing medical errors to keep their quality of care ratings high for insurance payouts. I spent the next month watching it happen again and again. Every time a surgeon messed up or a pharmacy tech sent the wrong dose, the system would reclassify it. The families were being told it was just one of those things, while the hospital board was celebrating their 5-star safety record. Honestly, I couldn't sleep. I'd look at these families in the waiting room and feel like a literal criminal. So I started taking screenshots. Every time the system corrected me, I saved the original and the filtered version. I stayed late. I used a burner drive. I was terrified. I turned it all over to the state board and the local news 2 months ago. I'm currently on administrative leave, which we all know is just code for "you're fired," but we're scared to say it yet. My lawyer says it's going to be a long fight. But seeing that first family get the truth, honestly, I'd do it again tomorrow. Once you see the gears turning behind the curtain, you can't just go back to being a part of the machine. Be careful who you trust with your health. Sometimes the stats are just a very expensive lie.